Want CapCut Pro features without paying? I'll show you how. No scams, no viruses. We're not using hacks or mods. These are 100% legal methods. Tired of CapCut pushing subscriptions every 2 seconds? I'll show you how to use an older version that gives you almost all the Pro tools for free. Stay with me, mates. No mods, no hacks, just a clean, official version from before they locked everything behind paywalls. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So, first open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice and search this: CapCut Up to Down version 1.4. Now click on the first link that appears from Up to Down website. Stay with me and don't skip any part, else you miss the important steps. We're here for version 1.4.0188, so click on More. Now click on version 1.4.0188. Now scroll down and click on Download to download the setup and install it. I have already downloaded it already, so I'll go ahead and launch the app. But then wait. We need to download Proton VPN in order to use the internet side of the app, which is also free. Now open your browser again and type Proton VPN for PC. Now, click on the first link from Proton VPN. Go ahead, download and install. I have already downloaded it already, so I'll go ahead and launch it. Now click on Connect to connect the VPN, and then go ahead and launch CapCut. Note, not everyone needs to use the VPN for download, but if you're unable to download filters or other features on the app, then make sure to use the VPN. As you can see, this is legit, and all features including filters, transitions, and other pro features are free. If you want me to create a video for how to get the mobile version, drop it in the comments, and just go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this helps my channel, and also like this video as I'll be dropping new ways to use pro apps for free. Thank you.